this.
That's a RGB in the front, and then light up. This lights up, the front lights up, and then this model, and I think with this size, so we can like the best one. I know you guys do that. So I think this will work well because of the size. Yeah, so I think because this one they plugged in just to show. This one they didn't turn it on, but then they have like a two light bars here, and then this.
So we're going to review the MSI. It got an award at CES for 2024. We're going to take a look at the Titan 18H-X. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we have a full set of keyboard, RGB lighting in the actual touch system itself. You got your mouse system, your video camera recognition system, also too, ready for MS12 system, MSI system. Now let's take a look at the actual connections on the side of it. Fan is going to be the old style on the back, just like the Dell version of it. Big power brick. You're going to require a lot of power to actually power consumption. You got your USB ports. You could actually close the lens here too also. You guys can see that. You can close the lens. It's closed right now. Open. RGB light controls, of course, module. Love this thing, especially the light changes on this part. Where it interacts with your finger. Looking at the 18HX Raider. They have a team, like a soccer team, but they have a MSI team. So full key sets, same functions as the other one. Beautiful thickness. Let's take a look at the thickness itself. Connections here. Big radiator on the side. Monstrosity.
So we're gonna do. I mean, I'm still going to do like a test deployment on a couple experiments with some of our models and solutions that we generally roll out in higher volume, and then see if there's any bottlenecks. Any like bottlenecks.
Yeah.
So
I think that's totally
yeah. It's like things as well. Like they're just business. Did you?
Intel Core. Sure, no problem. Charge it. Charge it. I like it.
Thank you.
Now, there's a problem with this one. The bad thing about this one that it only has one button on the back instead of the two buttons. One button. You see it on the back right here? Yeah. Back button. Told you. It's the downfall about this one. It's not as compatible as a PlayStation or Xbox. No. It's missing the buttons in the back. PlayStation and Xbox has two buttons. No, they do have the button on the top here. On this, but you have to have that button here.
Well, it does.
Yeah, but it doesn't have the dual button. Only on the top.
Oh, you're talking about the... Oh.
Yeah, and the bottom is better. Oh, there you go.
Sorry?
What's the price range on this? What's the price on the actual module, on the product?
It will be under 800.
800? Okay.
Yes.
So it's complete with the better... It's complete with the Steam a lot. It's a lot better. Better module, better processor.
Sorry, because we're going
Sure,
to
no problem, no
do a
problem.
video shooting right now. Thank you.
It's the low end. Can you pick it up one more time?
Yeah, sure.
She's making faces. Is that heavy, guys? Not just kidding. Okay. And this one, you can modify it with either ARC, like it has, or also any of the other products, which is we also have NVIDIA and RTX 4070 on it. Price range on this one?
Price range 1599 something. It
Oh, that's not
depends
bad.
Yeah, it depends on the SKU.
That's not bad. And it has a 4K H. What's the refresh rate on the actual monitor?
For the refresh rate,
Yeah, it doesn't say. Let me see.
4K 60,
No. Hertz. How many hertz?
120 and
Oh,
we
120.
also-
That's really
yeah.
good. That's actually really good. Oh, and I see it has one connection connected with back. Can I turn it around to see the connections in the back? Sorry. Oh, here we go. Oh, let me get that in there. There we go. Oh, almost. Oh, got it. All right, let's take a look at the keyboards. I actually have that one. Smaller. Take a look at the next one. Audio control. This is wireless. No, I don't have that one. It's wireless. Let's take a look at the controller itself. Look at this. For the Xbox, it has an Xbox controller, RGB lighting. Buttons are lower instead of the higher ones, but they have two top ones that act the same. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to program some of the stuff in here. And then You have wireless if you have the thong, or if you have the actual Bluetooth in this system. So it's not just for Xbox, you could probably use it for other modules too. It has the audio jack 3.0, mute button in the bottom. That is a little convenient because I'm always bumping it. So very light, lighter than the Xbox controller, even the Pro one. So headsets. Let's take a look at the headsets itself. See how flexible they are? They're flexible. The mic comes off. The mic comes off. Very cushion.
Because we have the how say
149 on this one.
this one is high-end.
This is the same version as that one, or without the.
So whole chassis is made by MSI. And
Connections are right here in the bottom. If you guys can see, they do have a Type C. Take a look at this monstrosity of machine that they have. But I'm going to show you some of the details they have. If you guys can see, there's an actually LCD screen inside a bit. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to modify some of the stuff, but awesome large. So if you're building yourself a nice system and you have plenty of space and you want a Christmas show here it is. Look at the top too. So the system itself, it could take pretty much any motherboard, and I see that it has plenty of room for your water cooling system. If you're going to have especially an MSI water cooling system, that for the GeForce 4090 system with the actual water cooling system, you could actually have for enough room for 3 fans in here. So look at that.
those are our main gear. Yeah, main gear for people.
Bem legais que a MSI vai lançar no Brasil em breve. Você pega o caderninho e anota aí algumas dicas para o seu futuro projeto aí de montagem de PC.
Now this system right here, look at this beautiful atmosphere they have. It's a water cooling system. They actually added the LCD screen in there so you guys can see how much degrees it has. Of course, it's the module itself, you know. But the water cooling system looks awesome because you can put your logo in there, another system in there. A beautiful setup, and it does have a MSI 4090 in there too, also included with it. But you pretty much anything. You have plenty of fans on the bottom, on the side, on the back, and 3 more. Let me show you guys 3 more on the top. Got a clone of the height almost, but this is a low-end version, smaller, cheaper too also. So let's take a look at it. Now, the screen size is about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches thick. No display needed in here. You're not going to be able to. You got plenty of. It's going to hide its power underneath of it. Your GPU. I would say you can do a 4090. It's going to increase it, but you are going to have issues installing your water cooling system because there's 3 fans in there on the top. Shows you the 3 fans more. And let's pull back a little bit so you can see more of it. So very simple. I like it. Cheap, inexpensive, and so.
É uma maravilha. É claro que você também precisa de um gabinete que tenha a furação adequada para a passagem desses cabos aqui, né, para esses conectores, senão não vai dar certo. A gente já mostrou aí alguns gabinetes da Thermaltake, como o Celis 330, e esse aqui também é uma novidade que deve ser lançada no Brasil, que é o gabinete da série Maestro. Não é esse, é o outro. 3, 2, 1. E esse daqui que está em demonstração já é um gabinete que está preparado, né, para esse tipo de placa-mãe, que deve se tornar um padrão. Estou falando aqui da MSI, mas as outras fabricantes, quem assistiu os nossos vídeos aí da
That's nice. They're copying a lot of the Omen stuff, but they have a monitor here. Oh, it's a touchscreen too. Yeah. That's pretty badass. You can change the conditions on it.
Yeah.
They're the top. The updated buttons on the top. Monitor. Let's take this one. Is
but we have entry-level monitors. Yeah. So we're trying. I think we have 6 or 7 this year, so it's really a lot. And some
low-end machines. These are low-end machines. Lower, like cheaper.
Yeah, it's if you connect a laptop to this one via USB, you want to.
Oh shoot, my mic's way out there. Hold on. So, oh my God, back mic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the fans, cooling system, RGB lighting, MSI, water pump, trigger. Oh my God, I'm getting a cramp. I'm getting a cramp. All right, he's gone from there. Well, here we have it, like the height. I'll show you guys the case itself.
Deixa tipo um aquário, uma visão muito legal lá da frente. De novo, é só o cabo da GPU e a bandeira do abertura. Você não vê mais nada de cabo ali dentro, isso é muito legal. Aqui do lado tem o da Corsair, que é o 6000 com X. A gente tem o D5 nessa bomba de abertura de informatório. E nem os cabos,
It's like the height.
Yeah, everything's in one piece. So the cost is very, very, very high. And all of the, each car is made by NCT. So per day only can produce 8 to 10 pieces.
Now I
We would have
do.
missed this one for
So
I love this.
Yeah.
This reminds me of old.
Well, I want to show you something better too. Can you show me, talk about the LCD screen that one has? Did you guys see that? So let me show you in the back. I want to know that. I want that.
The inside is not so show.
Oh no, that's
No.
no. Yeah. That other place had the same thing, but had a matrix drop, and I was asking where I could buy that.
Is this included with the chassis? Or
Yes, this is a preview system, but it's made by Main Gear.
okay.
Oh, okay.
Price
There
range
was
on this one?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's the same chassis as that one, but they actually put the. Is it in the inside or outside? Oh, it's on the inside. That I do like. This is a showcase film, if you guys can see. It goes in here. Showcase film. You could do probably your own animation in here. And this is actually a little bit clever way of displaying stuff. Looks awesome. I'm going to show you another model here. It's a black model, the black version of it. This is not the curved glass, but you got identical version of it that you can do. Awesome.